Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic in the health and fitness world, protein. Specifically, we're tackling the question, is too much protein the secret to health, or could it actually be a recipe for disaster? Let's find out. Protein has become synonymous with strength, muscle gains, and weight loss. From bodybuilders to everyday gym goers, people are hopping on the high-protein bandwagon, believing that more protein equals better results. But while it's vital for repairing tissues and building muscle, how much do we really need? The recommended dietary allowance, or RDA, for protein is about 46 grams per day for women and 56 grams for men. Yet, many enthusiasts suggest intakes upwards of 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. So, we have to ask ourselves, when does protein consumption become excessive? Let's break down some of the potential downsides of excessive protein intake. First up is kidney health. Too much protein can strain your kidneys, especially for those with existing kidney issues. While healthy individuals generally manage, it's best to tread carefully. Next, be mindful of hydration. Increased protein metabolism can lead to more nitrogen waste, needing more water to flush it out. If you're not careful, you could find yourself dehydrated. High-protein diets often lack fiber, leading to digestive issues like constipation and bloating. Remember, balance is key. Neglecting other food groups can result in nutrient deficiencies. Make sure to eat a variety of foods to stay nourished. Some studies suggest that high protein intake can increase calcium excretion, potentially impacting bone health. It's all about balance. Finally, remember that calories matter. An excess of protein can lead to weight gain if it pushes your calorie total above your energy needs. So, how do we find that sweet spot for protein consumption? Here are some practical tips. Calculate your protein needs based on your individual lifestyle. A registered dietitian can help tailor it to your needs. Prioritize high-quality protein sources like lean meats, fish, legumes, and low-fat dairy. Try to avoid overly processed protein powders unless necessary. Incorporate a range of foods in your diet to ensure you're getting the right nutrients. Remember to drink plenty of water, especially if your protein intake is high. Finally, always pay attention to how you feel. If something seems off, it might be time to reassess your protein intake. In conclusion, while protein is essential for a healthy diet, it's crucial to keep consumption in check. Aim for a balanced diet that meets your individual needs. And remember, moderation is key. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more nutrition tips and health insights. What are your thoughts on protein consumption? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.